everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to unbox a parcel that was sent to me this morning. Actually, in-order ko lang to yesterday morning. And then, na-surprise ako later afternoon kahapon. They sent me a text message already that my order was sent for DHL, for delivery. And then, early this morning, I received another text, an SMS saying na on the way na daw yung parcel ko. So, and this is it. I'm so happy. It came before lunch, I think around 11 a.m. So, this is actually the accessories I bought for my for my MacBook Pro. If you remember, I have a video earlier regarding the new MacBook Pro that I bought, I think early this year. And then ito na nga yung accessories. So let's start. It actually came from UK, I think. It mentioned here Express Worldwide, Great Britain. So I was expecting it. Alam ko Apple Ireland lang to, pero well, I don't know exactly where it is, but as long as nandito na siya. Ayan. I have 3 items. First, the Magic Mouse. Ayoko na sabihin yung presyo niya, pero ito na yan. Magic Mouse. The second one is the USB-C Multiport Pro. Kasi alam naman natin ang MacBook, medyo madamat yan sa port. So, what I have here is a Multiport Pro, wherein you can have an USB port, an SD and micro SD card slots, a USB-C charger, which is yung charger nga ng MacBook, and a 40 HDMI video na pwede natin i-connect siya sa lahat ng monitor or mga LCD. And then the last one is cover. Siya yung cover ng ating MacBook Pro. So actually, yan, may summary sila dito. Ito yung aking packing list, at the same time ang aking order summary. So I have the 3 items now. So let's continue. Ayan, so let's start with the mouse. So as expected, it's wireless, and hopefully kaya ko pa siyang gamitin kasi it's been a while since the last time na gumamit ako ng Magic Mouse ng Apple. So what we have in the box is of course the Magic Mouse 2 manual, and then a USB port. Let's proceed with the multiport. So, here's the multiport. Medyo ayan, ang ganda rin ang packaging niya. So, ito na yan. So, meron siyang USB port, the USB-C, which is yung normal na cable ng MacBook, plus yung micro and SD card slots, and this is the HDMI port. So ayan, keep muna natin siya sa side. Of course, what's inside is the manual, So lastly, we have this. Ayan. So mamaya, since ginagamit ko yung MacBook ko, napakita ko kung paano ko siya ikakabit. Okay. Ayan, una natin itatry is the pure tint, so thin and lightweight. You'll soon forget it's here. So, this is a protection or like a case. Like this, tulad ng mga cellphone. Ito naman, hindi ko itong case na to para sa MacBook Pro. So, it's actually, meron kasing ano nito, isang type which is yung clear. So, I prefer to have the carbon tint kasi nga, ano naman yung aking Mac is space gray siya. So, let's try this one first. So, I have now my MacBook Pro 2019. So, excited natin. So, let's open this one first. Ganun lang pala siya. Okay. So, like any other, kung ikaw may cellphone, syempre, lalagyan mo ng protection yung telepono. Same thing with my MacBook. So, I decided to have it protected. So, sabi dito. So, first, let's try the bottom one. So, this is the bottom one. So now I have my MacBook Pro, and the first thing na kailangan natin gawin is to clean it first. I'm using a microfiber para at least hindi siya gagasgas. Both sides para pag nilagay natin yung cover, malinis na. Ayan, since malinis na, let's put the cover. Let's start with the bottom one. It's perfectly fit. It should be kasi tama naman yung size na kinuha ko. Since we put already the case, ang next thing naman natin gagawin is i-prepare natin yung ating mouse. To set up your mouse. To pair your mouse with your Mac, use the lightning, the USB cable that came with your mouse. Plug the lightning end of the cable. So ito yung cable. Plug in the lightning end of the cable into the lightning port on the bottom of your mouse. So this is the mouse. Ito yung sinasabi niyang port. Plug the USB end of the cable into a USB port on your Mac. Since ang MacBook is walang USB port, bumili ako. Yun ang reason kaya ako bumili nito. Kasi here, meron na tayong USB port. Isa lang, pero I think enough. So if you can see, same color pa din. As much as possible, gusto ko pag bumili ako yung medyo clear siya. so far, itong cable na to para lang sa Apple. Yun lang yung napansin ko. Sa pwedeng mali ako pero alam ko itong cable na to. So, binili ko to kasi compatible siya sa MacBook. So, first we will plug this one in there. Blue light, so it means nag-work naman siya. And then, para daw ma-pair ito, itong mouse na pili natin is isaksak natin siya diretso sa USB port here. I think that's ready na. So, plug it in directly here. And then, turn it on. Ayan. It says, your mouse is wirelessly connected to this Mac. So, I think, connected na siya. So, I think, it's functioning well. Ano ba maninibago kasi it's been, I think, more than 4 years since the last time na gumamit ako ng Magic Mouse ng Apple. So, I think we're all set up now. So, that's key connection. We have the USB, the SD card reader, and another USB-C port. And then here is the HDMI port. So, I think that's it. And thank you for joining us. And hope you enjoy our video.